What's up, my mountain movers, my valley shakers? This is your girl, your global vision midwife, the purpose pusher, the dream weaver, the transformation catalyst. That's your girl. Well, thank you so much for joining me. This is going to be a very short one. And I have a vision nugget for you this morning. What I'm going to be doing in the coming weeks is sharing with you some vision nuggets that can really help you to go to the next level. Thank you for the heart. I appreciate you. Thank you for being a part of this. And one of the vision nugget, hey Carla, my darling, how are you? Good morning to you, my dear. Good morning. I want to start broadcasting from this channel from henceforth, and then I'll share it on my main page. I hope you're well. I hope everything is well with you and your husband. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're adjusting from that fiasco that Florida had. So thank God for your safety. All right, so I want to start with vision nugget number 1. This is coming out of this book, 365 Days Vision Nugget. And I just sat here and I'm saying, I need to do something a little bit different. I need to do like short ones that you guys can grasp and just go with. And so here go me trying to do something short, and I mean very short. And so the vision nugget that I have for you is this. It says, oh, you're welcome. It says, sometimes you really have to make the rational decision in the eyes of men so that you can get to the rational promises of God for your life. I want to say that one more time. Sometimes you have to make the rational decision in the eyes of men for you to be able to get to the rational promises of God for your life. A lot of times, there are times when we're in the Lord, God will often speak to you and not necessarily tell somebody else about what you're hearing. And because of that, there are decisions that you have to make that might not look kind of like, okay, people might listen to you and say you're off the deep end. They might say, but why is she making this kind of decision? But when you know that you've heard from heaven, when you know that in the pit of your stomach, thank you, and you know that you've truly heard from heaven, then what you need to do is stand tall and stand on that word that you've heard. And this word may not necessarily be rational, may not look rational to other people. But what you have to understand, that sometimes you have to make the irrational decisions that look irrational in the eyes of men are God's rational promises for your life. The decision that looks irrational to that sister, that looks irrational to that brother next to you, hey Patty Papa, that looks irrational to other people are God's rational promises for your life. So when you have something, when you hear something from the pit of your stomach and you hear specific direction, yes, it is okay to always get guidance. Yes, it is okay to hear it because God says you need to hear it 1 or 2. You need to confirm it, right? But then once you've confirmed that, even if it doesn't make sense to the whole lot of people following you, you have to stand tall. Okay, Patty, you are on my handle again. I don't know how you did it, but you're on my handle again, Patty Pat. All right? So I don't know how you did it. So sometimes you have to make the rational decision in the eyes of man so that you can get to the rational promises of God. What are the promises of God for your life today? What promises have you gotten? Maybe last night, maybe 2 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago. It really doesn't matter because the God that we serve is an ageless God, is a changeless God. He's God that is invisible. He's magnanimous. He's powerful. He's all-knowing. And because of that, you can stand tall. If God says that you are wealthy, then you have to stand, own it, and do the work. If God says that you are healed, you have to stand on it, own on it, do the work. Whatever it is that God has told you about yourself today, Stand tall, stand proud. Do not allow anybody to sway you to the right, to the left. Stand on the promises of God for your life, because yes, they might look irrational in the eyes of men, but as long as you know that you heard from heaven, as long as you are completely aligned to heaven, stand tall on that word and trust God that he shall surely bring it to pass. So until next time, good morning, Christine. I'm dashing off right now. Please watch the replay. Please share this. Share. Like. Comment. What are your thoughts on what I just shared? What are your thoughts on what I just shared? Until next time, be powerful, be bold, be brilliant in everything that you do. Understand that your brilliance is your millions, your brilliance is your billions. You are the one, the author, right, of your own story. Write it brilliantly. Do not allow anybody to write your story, because nobody can write it the way that you write it. Love you all. Dash off now. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.